Hi, Watson Gunn with 626 Real Estate, powered by eXp Realty. Since 2001, I've been specialized in helping homeowner and home seller in this area feature some of the best property on the market. And I'm so excited to tell you about the feature home of the month. This is a lovely home, and you want to have a chance to see it before it's too late. Please go online to tour this online, and I make it easy for you to check out with all the detail and photo there. While 2020 is fast approaching the end, I don't have to tell you this has been a very, very, very unusual year for everybody. Not just for us, for people around us. In fact, it's for people all over the world. With so many uncertainty, turmoil, problem, uprising, and confusion, uncertainty, one thing remains to be true. This is a great year for homeowner. This is a great year to buy home, with interest rate being the lowest in history. And this is probably the best time to buy your home, like never before. However, we've got a problem. There just isn't enough home on the market for the buyer out there to take advantage of the low interest rate. So I have come up with some solution to help buyer like yourselves. I have come up with a comprehensive plan where you can buy a home safely, and also you can be able to own a home of your choice. At the same time, I'm going to give you some added advantage on how you can be better informed and better educated, and also be the smartest buyer you could be. So let me just introduce you about this home. Coming on the first time, owner are relocating. They are motivated seller. The first buyer coming in most likely will be the one getting this home. Temple City, home of the Camellia Festival. This is one of the most desirable places in the entire San Gabriel Valley to live, to work, and to raise a family. Folks come to Temple City for the great school, and also so much to offer. Beautiful park. It's just a short drive away from the iconic Pasadena. This is a place where new immigrants gather here, as well as the older residents celebrate together, enjoying the good life with all the different things this beautiful city has to offer. With your friend here, you're a friend here for life. For party, for get-together, celebration, cultural event. And in Temple City, folks are good at helping one another. It's also a place with endless festivals throughout the year. It's home of the heroes, home of many bakeries where friends get together, restaurants, great food courts surrounding, and just so much to offer. Now this is the center called Camellia Center, one of the newest establishments. It's world-class restaurant, bakery, dessert places, barbecue, different ethnic food. It's so much to offer. Just why people in Temple City are so happy. It's the home of the volunteer, a place where everybody do their best to make this a proud and happy.